channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you couldn't tell already, we are in the bathroom today, hence the shower curtain and the echo, because we are finally going to be redecorating my bathroom. I say finally because if you've been watching my vlogs, I've been talking about this for like 3 weeks. Still couldn't quite find what I wanted. I have a lot of options I'm gonna show you guys today because I still am not quite sure the direction that I'm gonna go. We're just gonna get there. But I'm really excited about it and to see how it turns out, because as you guys know, if you watch my vlogs or any of my videos, my house is super neutral, and we're definitely gonna be putting some pops of color into this bathroom. So if you're interested to see the whole bathroom redecorate process, I am not an interior decorator. I just do a lot of Pinteresting, so keep that in mind. Then just keep watching. So I just pulled everything that I have to redecorate in here, and I will show you guys close-ups of everything as I go. But the first thing that I have is the shower curtain, and this is what I'm kind of basing my color theme off. I think we're doing like yellow and peach. I don't know how it's gonna work. I did get some white towels and some white bath mats to put in here just in case I don't end up liking the peach, because you can't see it, but there is a little bit of peach focus. Hello, not me. So there are like some peach square, I want to say polka dots, but they're also squares, polka squares, I guess, that kind of run throughout the whole shower curtain. So we're gonna try to do a little bit of peach and a little bit of yellow. I got a little bit of white too, so we're just gonna get started. We're gonna see how this goes.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So the shower curtain is hung, and now you can see the little peach parts in it a little bit better. When I back up, it just looks like they don't exist, but they're there. I think it already makes the whole room look 110% brighter, but we're gonna keep going.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So I laid the peach one out. I still have the tag on it, obviously, because I'm still trying to decide if I'm gonna go with it or not, but I actually think it looks really good with the yellow and everything in here. I thought it might be a little too much, but I actually think it works. I wish I could put 2 mats in here, but the floor space in this bathroom, there just isn't enough room, and this kind of looks awkward if you put it that way, so I think I'm gonna leave this facing this way and then try it with the peach and yellow hand towels.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no
that is it for my little bathroom refresh, guys. I really like the way that it turned out. As you can see, I didn't buy much, I didn't switch much out, but I think this just made the biggest difference, and it made the room look so much more bright, because I think the colors in this house are agreeable gray. So like the gray on gray didn't look good, but it kind of looks beige in this room, the paint color. So I don't know, it was really weird. It just looked really dull and uninviting, but now I just think it looks so much brighter, so much more fun, and that's what I was going for. So I really like that. I'm really happy about it. And if you guys are interested in anything that I use, I'll have everything linked that I can down below in the description box. But thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.
It's a remedy, 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 yeah.